Another day, another video, and another unboxing. So I just received a packet. I need to remove my address from it. Menu. Okay. So it's a packet from Thomann. You probably know already the store. There's a lot of hi-fi and music equipment. And, wow, destroying the box. Okay, so I need to open it. Yeah. So it's very exciting today because it's an equipment I was waiting for a month at least. I should use the cutter. Easier this way. Here as well. It's easier to manage to deal with deliveries with Amazon packaging. Anyway, so I will remove this. There's nothing else in the box except probably the bill. So I received today the Audio Technica, and it's the M50x. So one famous headphones, which is well very appreciated on the market. So so just before, well, there's not much on the box. There's just this in different languages: English, French, German, and Spanish. So this is what they give. So the headphones, coil, cable, 3 meters, 1.2 to 3 meters, 3 meters, straight cable, the adapter for 3.5 to 6.3 millimeters, and portable, the same cable but shorter, so at 1.2 meters, and yeah, tiny pouch, and that's it. So let's open it. So yeah, I had to change. I ordered it in a store and they didn't have it, and I have been waiting for a month, and now yesterday actually I ordered it, no, 2 days ago, and I changed and I got the delivery today. So today it's Thursday. So anyway, that's not interesting. So some tiny documentation, hopefully not only in Japanese. Okay, we'll see this. So from Audio Technica, the whole cable with the adapter. Reminds me the one from Bear Dynamic. Well, so the headphones. Well, let's first remove everything. Some hidden. So the additional cables, the 1.2 straight and 3 meters. Okay, anything else? Nothing else. Let's put the stuff back. Let's remove the box. Oh. Okay. So it's nice. or written. Pretty visible. Audio Technica. Yeah, this part reminds me of the Sennheiser. So this is a closed back headphones. So and okay, so maybe I should check what this do. Yeah, first you need to completely okay. So yeah, right, left. The good thing is you can pack it. It's supposed to be easy. Well, easier than our headphones actually. So very comfortable, well made. It's 129 euros, and yeah, that will be my headphones for when I go out and I want to listen to some music. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. So again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.